I-compare natin itong dalawang sikat na buko pie from Laguna. First up is Orient, the original buko pie. Ito yung buko pie ng childhood ko, as in dito kami lagi bumibili sa tuwing nasa Laguna kami, and medyo madalas kami magbakasyon sa Laguna. Recap ko lang sa inyo itong dalawang flavor na pinakita ko sa lumang video. Ito yung kanilang classic na buko pie. Kitang-kita nyo yung malalaking shreds ng coconut meat. The dough is very flaky and I could be biased pero gustong-gusto ko talaga to. This next one is their cassava buko pie. Ang dami na rin kasi nilang flavors ng buko pie dito, and this was a pleasant surprise. So literal na para kang kumakain ng cassava cake na merong coconut meat. Meron din silang buko pie na ube flavor, napaka-thick ng filling as you can see. And the ube was so good. Lasang piyesta, lasang Pasko, ganun. At isusunod naman natin ay yung kanilang pineapple pie. As expected, this was fruity and tart. Probably not my favorite, but still it's not bad. By the way, ang presyo na ngayon both nung Orient at nung Letty's as of 2025 is around 320, 330, parang ganun. So yes, nagmahal na sila compared sa dati, and understandable naman. Ang mahal na kaya ng mga ingredients ngayon. And finally, eto naman yung Letty's. Sobrang daming nag-comment sa akin na eto daw dapat yung itry ko. Dahil para daw sa mga locals ng Laguna, eto ang paborito nilang buko pie. You can see layers of coconut meat and custard. Medyo mahirap rin lang tsambahan kasi ang bilis ma-sold out, pero in fairness, ang sarap nga. Although for me, I would say hindi naman masyadong nalalayo yung quality nila. Parehong masarap and almost pareho rin yung presyo. So at the end of the day, it's just a matter of personal preference.